Hello, YouTube. On today's episode of KYR News, we will be covering videos from multiple YouTube channels. The first channel we will be spotlighting is Seahan Thai Audit. The second channel we'll be spotlighting is Spinning Cobra Cop Watch. And finally, we will close the show out today with Direct D. Please take a moment and head over their YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channels.
What is this guy's name?
Something about having a mask on.
I was gonna make sure. Is that a lot Florida right
That
there?
is,
That's
my order. I'm the sheriff,
You're the sheriff.
and I have the right to make an order in this facility.
No, actually, you have a right to set policies here. So let me inform you of this real quick. You can make policy for public employees, but you don't get to legislate.
No,
That's set up to
I
the
make policy
inmates.
for anyone that comes in this facility.
No, that's not right.
Yes, it is.
You make policy for the inmates.
I'm asking you to leave.
And I'm telling you no, because you don't have the authority to. Like, you can ask me
Why
to
do you
do
want
anything.
to do this? I mean, you're
What do you
pushing
mean, why
this
do I
up.
want to do it?
You're pushing this issue. All you have to do is go get a mask. That's all I'm asking.
All you have to do is stop trying to enforce unlawful authority.
I have the authority in this building.
You have the authority to do anything with him, with these people.
No.
You don't have the right to
The
legislate laws
safety
for
and
me.
security, the safety and security of this facility is under my control. I have to keep the inmates safe.
Well, cool. I'm not planning on going to see you.
I know,
with the
but I
inmates.
have people that come through here that do.
Well, before you guys came out here and before you guys exposed yourselves, nobody else was going to be entering back
You
there.
don't know that there won't be an attorney?
Absolutely. And ma'am, you
Someone
don't have
else.
to wear the mask if you don't want to. These
Yes,
guys
you
are
do.
just telling you things that are
You
law.
know what, I'm in healthcare, so I wear a mask all day
Okay.
long,
Well,
and
good.
a shield, and I'm fully
Right. That's
vaccinated.
fine. Well, congratulations.
I'm asking
Wanted
you
to
to
let
leave.
you know. Okay, and I'm telling
Is
you.
to get a
no.
mask.
Okay. And your name is?
Michael Hassler.
Michael Hassler.
It's a public record.
You're the one who makes us pay $99 a soup in the jail, aren't you? It
No,
is
I think
absolutely
you're-
ridiculous.
I
It's
think
so
you're-
open, we pay
I think
33.
you are.
But hey, but I'll tell you, you
We're not
can
talking
ask,
about that.
okay, that's fine. Well, you can ask me anything. I can ask you to stop throwing people in cages for not hurting, stealing, or violating anybody's constitutional rights. But that doesn't mean you have to say yes. But you can't tell me to do anything that isn't law.
Okay.
That's your job as the sheriff, right? To enforce the law. And it's
Correct.
my job as a citizen to follow the law.
Correct.
But I don't have to follow things that aren't law.
I'm asking you to leave.
Okay.
Get a mask.
Okay. Well, that's fine. And I'm
And if
telling
you're
you,
refusing
no.
under criminal trespass,
No, you
That
cannot.
would be-
You're the sheriff, and you think it's legal to trespass somebody
Yes.
from a public area?
no. Once you're
Okay, well,
asked to
good.
leave,
That's it then. Full
once
stop.
you're
Okay.
asked to leave,
Okay.
and
Let
you
him talk.
refuse,
Let
Listen
me
to him.
talk, buddy. What's your name and badge number, as a matter of fact? Because I've got
I'm
an
George
investigation.
Blair, I'm the chief deputy here.
Okay.
I'm 28 too.
Okay, that's good. Well, as a matter of fact, I don't need your guys' help. So you guys are dismissed. So you guys can go along, run along, do your thing.
well, you don't
That's
dismiss
fine.
me
It
from the
doesn't work
jail.
that way.
No, I dismiss you from helping me.
I'm
I mean,
asking
you're a
you,
public
you need to
servant.
leave too.
But hey,
I'm
he doesn't
asking you
have
to
to do anything, as a matter of fact. He's just here to document. He's with
Well,
the press.
when I
so-
go to the prosecutor,
Okay, well, go to the prosecutor
And-
and ask him if you can make somebody leave for not breaking the law.
I've already done that.
Okay.
So-
What did the guy say? What did the lawyer say?
The lawyers tell me that I have the right to do that
Well,
within
the
this
lawyer is
building.
wrong, because look up state law. I don't know if you're familiar, but that's the only thing you guys get to enforce. You don't get to just, like, are you a legislator? Is that what you
No,
are?
I'm not.
You are not a legislator.
Are you?
No.
Okay.
But I follow the laws, unlike some people around here. Okay? So,
I don't-
you guys are just
I guess we
feeding
have a
into this right now.
disagreement, because I don't believe you are following the law, because I've asked you to leave with a mask
So, what you say is the law.
in this building.
No, it isn't.
Through that door, right
For
there.
the prisoners, maybe.
A jail is different than a courthouse or other public building.
No, it isn't. The only thing that's different from another public building is a courtroom.
I would be happy to
You're not allowed
discuss
to
it
do
with.
things in a courtroom.
Are you an attorney? Do you represent yourself?
I could be.
Do I need to talk to you, or could I talk to your attorney?
You can talk to my attorney if you'd like. His name is Ed. I'm sure you're familiar with
I
him.
know Ed well.
So go ahead and give him a call and see what he says about it. Because Ed's been a prosecutor, he's a lawyer, he knows the law.
I
And
know
the
Ed.
state police are about to launch an investigation into you guys. They just called me today. Just fair warning. You laid your hands on me last time, totally illegally. I hope you don't choose to do the same thing, because then I'm going to have to include you in the investigation. Talking to tomorrow.
I wanted to make sure
you guys
that
can
you
save
understand
yourselves
clearly.
right now and walk away, and you could actually apologize to me, and I just tell the cop, we're not going to do this. We're not going to do the investigation. I'm dropping.
And I meant what I said. If he had apologized, I would have told the state police to forget about the investigation.
We're not going to apologize for something we have the right to do.
Okay, well, you don't have the right
You
to
need to
do
do
it.
whatever you have to do. There is a
I don't want to lay
process.
hands on you, but you gotta follow our rules.
No, I don't
So
have to
you
follow
didn't
your
give me
rules.
an option.
In this
You
building-
guys have to follow the rules. I don't think you
In
understand
this
that.
building, you have to follow
In
my
this
rules.
building, I don't have to do jack shit that isn't law, all right? So you guys are dismissed if you'd like to walk away and leave this
No, we don't-
conversation, but you're feeding into it
You're
right
not
now.
dismissing me from my building.
Okay, well, that's fine. Well, I'm free to stay.
You
all right?
are, as long as you go get a mask.
No, I'm free to stay regardless. So I'm going to finish my audit. You guys can stand here if you'd like to, but that's what I'm doing. And if you'd like to, violate my rights, that's fine. I'm not going to resist, but I am going to do my thing right now. And you're not going to give unlawful orders to my buddy here either.
Yeah, and
We're not doing all these unlawful orders. We're going to continue our thing, and we'll be out of your hair in 5 minutes. So if you guys don't want to expose yourselves to COVID, go ahead behind the safe price. Those masks don't do anything. I don't know if you guys have looked at any science or anything like that, but they don't do jack shit.
Well, I appreciate your opinion.
Okay, no, it's not my opinion. That's the facts. So you guys should look
appreciate
into
your
that.
opinion.
Okay, well that's great. So, and also I appreciate the facts that I'm allowed to do whatever the hell I want in this building, as
We
long
will-
as it complies with the law.
We will find out.
Okay, yeah, we will.
I know that I am correct in what I'm telling you.
All right.
I've made you aware of that. So
And I've made you aware that it's not a law, and that
I
you
know
guys can
it's not
set
a law.
policy for the building for your employees.
No.
Yeah, but you don't get to set policy for me, buddy. I don't work for you. All right, so just let me finish my audit. I'm here doing my thing. You guys go back and do your thing. I'm sure you've got rapists or criminals or thieves, somebody else to look at, because that's your job, right? To protect my private property and the citizens' private property. It's not your job to come out here and harass me when I'm doing my thing. This is my job. You guys go do your job.
I'm gonna need to at least get your names and information.
You don't need
I
to
gave
get
you-
anybody's names.
I gave you mine.
Cool, that's
Why don't
fine.
you
You're a
wanna give me-
public
I gives
servant.
you 20.
You serve me. I don't serve anybody. I don't need
And it's
yours to
also a
give
crime
me-
not to identify yourself.
No, it isn't. It's the only reason I need to identify myself is if you have reasonable, articulable suspicion that I have broken a law. And unless I've broken a law, you don't get anything.
Well, I have suspicion you have because
So
I've
what's
asked
the
you
law?
both to leave.
What's the law?
Do you want to be part of this?
What's the law? He doesn't need to speak. He's got a right to what? Remain silent.
Well, he has his own voice.
Yeah, and
I'll
I've got
take
the
it-
right
I'll
to
take it
remain
from him.
silent as well, as far as I want to
Do you
not
wish-
identify myself.
Do you wish to identify yourself?
So are you threatening
sorry,
me that
guys.
you're going to throw us in a cage if we don't leave? Is that what you're threatening? Is that a threat?
Not what I said.
What if I don't identify myself?
Do you want to
Are gonna-
identify
are you gonna-
yourself, sir?
No, I do not.
Okay.
Are you going to throw me in a cage if I don't identify myself?
That'd be an option, wouldn't it?
Oh, you're
No, no, it's not. It's an illegal option. So, sorry.
It's okay. I get it. I'll get both sides. I don't care. I go home after I work all day.
You're not getting put in the video, by the way. We're putting a thing over
It's
here.
fine.
Can you do me a favor? You're gonna record us. I want you to keep your hands out of your pockets.
Kiss my ass.
All right. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Am I being detained?
Right now, you're standing way too close to my traffic stop, and you got your hand in your pocket. I don't know what you're doing.
I am allowed to do whatever the I want to do. I'm free.
All right. Well, just understand that if you get any closer to our traffic stop,
Just get the away from me.
well, no, actually, I have every right to stand right here too.
That's fine. You stay right there. I walk around with my hand in my pocket.
Right, but you gotta understand.
I don't give a
know-
what
I don't
you
know-
think.
I don't know.
I really don't give a what you think.
Well, I'm educating you.
I'm educating you.
How so?
You cannot come up here and take my rights away. That's how I'm educating you.
Am I taking your rights away right now?
Yeah,
How?
by telling me to take my hands out of my pocket. I'm free to do whatever the I want to do.
Did I force you to take your hand out of your pocket?
Nope. Okay. It's your ego. It's that thin blue line right there.
It's my ego.
That ego.
It's called my safety.
Yeah, it's
my
your
personal safety.
ego.
That's why I'm contacting you.
This guy's going to stand over here and film me, so I'm going to go over there and see if I can push some authority on him.
I'm just gonna stand right here and make sure that the scene is safe, that's all.
You do that. Did you call for backup?
What do you care?
Please tell me you called for backup. You did, didn't you?
Share with you what kind
Didn't
of
you?
policy
You
you
called
have.
for backup, you see.
You put this on a website?
What part of I don't answer questions don't you understand? I'm here for me.
I was just asking if it's going to be on a website. I'd
Okay,
like to
guys.
see it.
This your sergeant will know the website.
Oh, my sergeant knows the
Yeah,
website?
when you guys f up,
Who's my sergeant?
all your sergeants get my website. That way they know if you
So
really
every
f up or
sergeant in
not.
Mesa knows your website. Can I just verify
Should,
what
yeah.
website it is?
Should. They should know me.
What's the website?
All you guys are supposed to know me.
What's your name then? I don't know you. I've never seen you before.
My name is Spittin' Cobra.
Spain Cobra? Or is that the name of the website? I've never seen you before. Yeah. So
Oh.
I'm kind of curious to look
Well,
right
I
now.
usually don't get this far down.
Oh, okay. Usually where you at?
None of your business.
I'll take it. Yeah, more power to you, man.
Okay, your stop is done. You guys go do your job.
We're just standing here hanging out with you, man.
Okay, we'll stand here all day then.
Well, it seems like you still want to record us, so.
Do you have any questions for us?
No, you guys are the ones making an ass out of yourself.
No.
Well, look, guys, this guy doesn't have the blue line. I applaud him for that. You have not desecrated my flag. I appreciate that. This son of a has.
You view
How
that as
is
a
that?
desecration of a flag?
Yes, that is a desecration of the United States flag.
How is that?
Well, I mean,
That's not how the flag is
that's-
depicted.
That's not how the flag is depicted either, man. It's white and black.
But it doesn't have that blue line through it.
It doesn't have white or black on it either.
That is a gang line.
I
What
don't
if
know
it-
about that, man.
If it
That's
had
a stretch.
If it had a red line, would it be all right? Or a green
No,
line?
none.
No line?
No lines. That's a flag. It's a different color, but there's no lines through it.
There's a bunch of lines through it. There's black and white lines all through that thing. I'm just saying, your statements don't make sense.
Yeah.
But hey, you have a great day, sir.
Yeah, you too. You guys have a great day too.
Take care.
Go get your jobs done.
Go on. Go around me. I don't care.
Get back in the car.
Hey man, don't shine your light at
Get
me.
back in the car, man.
Don't shine your light at me.
Get back in the car.
Turn your light off, please.
Get back in your car, sir.
Why?
I'm not going to tell you one more time. Get back
I'm in my neighborhood right now. I don't have to get in the car. I want to see what's going on. Who are you to give me orders? I'm not legally stopped. I'm parked. I'm parked. I told you to go around. You wanted to go around me. I'm not detained. I didn't do anything wrong. What's your name and badge number, officer? Name and badge number, please. Name and badge number, please. I will get on the sidewalk. I'm not legally detained. I haven't broken any laws.
I just pulled traffic on you because you're not moving.
Okay, what crime have I committed?
You are blocking the
What crime have I told you to go around me? I wait for you to go around me and then you turn your lights on. I have it on camera.
Can you
I have it on
rewind and
camera.
say that you told me to
I have
go
it on
around?
camera, sir.
Can you rewind
Please
it?
tell me what I did wrong. I just want to know what's going on in my neighborhood. I see a helicopter. I see cops. I live right down the street.
Okay.
So
I honked at you so you can.
I told you to go around. You wanted to go around, right?
And did you tell me to go around? No, you
Yes,
didn't.
I waved my arm out the window. My girl's right here. She can confirm it. It's on video.
Can you pause it?
No,
and then
I'm not
go
pausing
back
anything.
And then you can tell
Not
me?
pausing anything. First Amendment. Sorry.
What's your? Can I see your ID?
No, you cannot. What crime have I committed?
You're legally detained right now. You're
For what?
blocking
You
the
have
roadway.
what is your articulable crime, dude? I know my rights. You cannot tell me to give me you or my ID.
You said you're blocking the roadway.
Dude, I'm parked. There are no parking signs right here. I am
You are
legally parked.
detained right now.
You didn't turn your lights on until I told you to
Did
go
I
around.
not turn on the lights and give you the
You
siren?
can't pull me over for nothing just because you
For
don't like
blocking the
something,
road?
dude. I'm not blocking. I was moving. There was a cop in
blocking the
front
road.
of me that was blocking me.
You only pulled. I'm not gonna.
Which
argue
one of
with
you was
okay?
in front of me? Was it you? Okay, he was in front of me.
I'm not gonna.
We're not arguing. I'm telling you what's happening.
I'm not gonna dispute this with you.
Dude,
okay?
why are you... You're focusing on kids right now, not me.
Sorry.
We got a call here, okay? And I'm trying to
What's
get
your name and
over-
badge number, officer?
So my name is Officer Steve Cervantes. My
Okay.
ID number is 17507.
Okay.
Here's the deal. I was never stopped. So you got to keep moving. You're blocking a public
You were
thoroughfare.
in front of me.
I was in front of you.
I'm
but I
not
wasn't
gonna
stopped.
I'm not gonna go around
Do
you.
Do you understand? But I wasn't stopped. So you got to keep moving, right? So you're blocking a public thoroughfare. So my partner is saying that you are legally detained because and we committed a traffic stop because you're
You can,
stopped.
I haven't
Okay.
committed a traffic infraction.
Okay, yeah. 'Cause you're blocking a
Unfortunately,
public
I haven't.
thoroughfare. You're public.
Dude, I'm not.
Blocking a public thoroughfare.
I'm parked on the side of the road.
Only because I pulled you over.
Dude, it's on camera.
Okay.
So do whatever you're gonna do. I have it on
You have your
camera.
ID with you, sir?
I'm not IDing. I haven't broken any laws.
Okay. So right now,
Terryville, Ohio, you can't ID me without articulable suspicion.
I just
I know
told
the
you.
law.
I just
Dude,
told
I
you.
know my rights.
And I just
You're-
told you.
No, you can't
can
just
you
make
listen
some
for a
shit
minute
up.
and just-
You're not gonna ID me. I live right down the street. I want to know what's going on in my neighborhood. End of discussion. I got in my car because I saw a helicopter on a speaker. That's it.
And then when I pulled traffic on you, you get out of your vehicle.
Dude, you didn't pull traffic on me. You honked your horn. I waved you around, and you turned your lights on. That's what happened. It's on camera. I mean,
How did you wave him around?
I was behind you, right? So you saw me filming the entire time, which means it's all on camera, right?
But
So-
when we got right
dude.
here, did you stop?
Why?
Did you stop? Yes or no?
I parked, yes, and I turned my vehicle off, and then his lights came on.
You parked.
Dude, I am parked on the side of the road right now. Do you see no parking signs? No, I live in
by
this
me
neighborhood.
Flashing my lights and doing my sirens, that means you are legally detained. You are
No,
blind.
no, that's not how it works. I have to commit a
have-
traffic infraction or break a law.
Did we not just tell you were blocking? a
You
roadway?
can't say I'm blocking a roadway. I'm parked. There are other vehicles blocking on the same street. You can't say I'm blocking
when
just
you were
because you
talking
want
to
to
kids-
you want to try and have a traffic stop. That's not how it
When
works.
you were talking to the kids and I was trying to get around you, did you?
You honked and I went forward. I moved and then you honked again and I pulled to the side of the road and waved you around. Dude, why are we talking in circles? My story's not
Okay.
going to change. The way things happened didn't change.
So, my name is Officer
I
Steve
got
Cervantes,
yours.
ID 17507. You're free to go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
All
You
right,
guys have an
have a
awesome.
good
Hey, I have nothing against you. I want to make that very clear. All I saw was a helicopter.
you're free to go. No
Okay,
longer
thank you. Appreciate you.
Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please remember and head over to all of these auditors' YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.